Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how I will do full sew-in weave with no closure or frontal. The hair I will be using is from Longqi Hair on Aliexpress. I will be using their Brazilian coiling hair. This is how the hair came with eyelashes, pamphlet how to care for the hair, and a hair bag. Like if I am to keep the hair later on, this bag will be very handy. And there you can see the hair. The coil is very pretty, and then this is their 26 inches, very pretty coils, and they're soft, and then the weft well constructed, and they're very full. And then this their frontal is 20 inches, but I will not be using frontal or closure to do this sew-in weave. Hey guys, this video is part 1 and the part 2. This is the part 2 video. You better pause this video if you have not checked out the part 1 video to see how I do this sew-in with no closure, no frontal, and I used crochet method. I will put the video in the description box below. And this hair is after 2 weeks of having this sew-in weave, and I'm here to show you guys how I will define the coils before I will lose the sew-in weave. Things I will be using: water, oil, and the gel. You can use any gel of your choice, but I will be using a black gel, and I will also be using conditioner, leave-in conditioner. And I will just press small amount of the leave-in conditioner inside the bowl like this, and I will just cut a little bit of gel, not too much, because the gel is very thin. together. You just mix the leave-in conditioner and the gel together. You need to set aside 1 spoon to be using. Now we put water and then mix together like this. This hair is from Longqi Hair on Aliexpress, and then this is their Brazilian curly hair. Details of this hair will be in the description box below. You can see after 2 weeks of rocking this sew-in weave, the coil is still looking poppy. And we'll first of all spray in a little bit of water and then just apply, and you will see how the coils will be popping out. You can see the difference. You can see this side I have not applied. You can see this side is looking very dry. And I would advise you to try this method, and this is the time to take down this sew-in weave, because filming this video, this sew-in weave is 2 weeks here. Don't forget to check out part 1 video. I will put part 1 video in the description box below. Don't forget that this hair is from Longqi Hair on Aliexpress. This is their Brazilian curly hair, 26 inches. Details of this hair will be in the description box below. Everything I used in this video will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video like as I enjoyed filming it, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.